After the system administrator installs TrueCredential software, he or she needs to activate the product key to license the software. This licensing process must be done by the person who is the system administrator for TrueCredential and is required to be completed only once on the single workstation you will use to access TrueCredential. From the Windows Start menu, choose Data Card, TrueCredential, Sign In. Sign in to TrueCredential. At the Welcome screen, we'll click No for now. Click the Settings drop-down menu, the gear icon, and then choose Settings. On the Manage Your Settings page, click License. Enter your product key on the Manage Your License page, and then click Save. Your TrueCredential product key may be activated on only one system. Please contact customer support if you need to transfer your key to a new system. Now that your software is running and licensed, in the next section, we'll set up TrueCredential to use the Logitech webcam.